Welcome to Mr. Lacey's Phonics. What you're going to need today is a piece of paper and something to write with. Parents, remember you can pause this video at any point if your child needs any extra time. Our sound today is A. A. Can you say the sound A? Let's try that one more time. Our sound today is A. Well done. I'm going to hide our sound in some sounds we should already know. Like this sound. S. Right, get ready. S. All. All. B. Ah. Eh. K. 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 Oh. G. Mm. Mm. I. P. T. A. S. Sh. Ch. Qua. Z. Z. Ya. X. Wa. V. I. A. There it is. Today's sound. A. Now we're going to try some words with our sound in. Are you ready to sound it out? A, n. Let's sound that out again. A, n. Let's blend that together. Rain. Can you write that word down? A, n. Rain. Have a go and see if you can write down the word rain. Let's sound out the next word. S, n, a, l. S, n, a, l. Let's see if we can blend that together. Snail. This word is snail. Can you write down snail? Let's have a go at our next word. Sounding it out. N, A, N-A-L. Let's try that one more time. N-A-L. This word is nail. Can you say the word nail? Have a go at writing it down. Right, our next word is, let's sound it out, T-R-A-N. Let's try that again. T-R-A-N. Our next word is train. Can you have a go at writing down the word train? We've been practicing lots of words with the A sound in it, but now we're going to have a look at some high frequency words. This word is I. Can you say the word I? Our next word is my. Can you say the word my? Now this is quite a common word, and we can sound it out. Can you sound it out with me? W, e, n, t. Went. Have a go reading the word went. O, n. Can you figure out what word that is? On. On. This is a preposition. The preposition on. Let's have a go at trying all those words in some short sentences. Are you ready? I, t, I, s, a, s, n, a, l. Try not to do it all in one go. Break it down. Start with the first word. I, t, it, is, is, a, s, n, a, l. Snail. It is a snail. Have a go at writing that down. I, w, e, n, t, went, o, n, on, a, t, r, a, n, train. I went on a train. Have a go at writing that sentence down. Remember to put your full stops. Let's sound this sentence out. I, it, hit, my, nail. Nail. I hit my nail. Can you write this sentence down? Well done, everybody. That's all we've got time for today. But make sure you look out for all the words you can find in your house that has an A sound. I look forward to seeing you here again soon. And remember to keep reading.